Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to on automatic brightness mode in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to on guys your auto brightness mode, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on auto brightness in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you fans how to on auto brightness. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video fans. First of all guys, open your phone setting, turn on your auto brightness. So I scroll it, guys you can see your display setting. So I tap here, then guys you can see your brightness level. So I tap here, then guys you can see your automatic brightness. So as you can on from here. So after guys you can see brightness has increased automatic. So it will cover automatic guys. When you will go outside, when you will come inside, brightness will increase and decrease automatic. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto brightness in our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.